Hello, Atlas. I'm Janeline B. Bayer. I'm one of the passers of the recent January 2026 licensure exam. I would like to thank Atlas for being part of my review journey. Papasalamat po ako sa mga architects namin na nag-share ng um, wisdom as an architect. Truly, it's a wonderful experience. And yung mga natutunan namin, talagang nagamit namin for us to be confident in answering the board exam. And I just want to share that Atlas is one of my answered prayers na pinipray ko po, nilid po ako ng Lord sa tamang review center. And sulit na sulit po yung pag-enroll sa Atlas. Yung mga natutunan namin, nagamit namin sa pagsagot sa board exam. And plus na naging magaan yung reviews session namin na hindi siya purong pag-aaral lang, kundi there's nakaka-enjoy and hindi nakaka-bore yung every classes and yung mga apps like yung EdUp, yung uh, mga quizzes na pagsasagot namin. Nakatulong siya para mas maging ready kami for our board exam. So, once again, I thank you, Atlas. I thank you for every mentors na nakatulong po sa amin. Maraming maraming salamat po and God bless everyone. Thank you po.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.